Hello everyone, let's look at the tarot message for today. This is the judgment card telling us that, probably deep down that there is a call. It's almost like a final call. You're getting the nudges to kind of direct you or nudge you towards something that is best for you and for others. Sometimes, that knowing which is there in your heart and your body, but it's deep down within. And there are a lot of multiple layers outside. There's a lot of noise. There are a lot of doubts, self-doubts, doubts by the others, questions. But when you go silent and you peel those layers and you reach to that inner knowing of what your calling is, that's when you kind of understand that whatever shifts you need to make so that you can be fair and just and give in the right way. Sometimes just giving and not receiving is also lopsided. Sometimes, of course, just taking is definitely not the way out. So wait, sit still, understand what the pattern is as of now, and understand what changes you need to make so that you what you attract is equal, mutual relationships, mutual partnerships, in which there's a nice flow. The abundance comes when the flow is smooth and just. There's equal give and take. There is taking care of, and there's also you are expecting from others as well. There is vulnerability, at the same time there is boundary making. There's equality. That's when things align far better. The internal alignment also is the best, and the overall alignment of things, relationships, groups, community, or professional partnerships is well balanced and aligned. And also make sure that whatever shifts you understand that you need to make, you do it step by step. Just take action in a compassionate way. Sudden shift or in your behavior is always difficult for others around you to kind of deal with. It's difficult for them to digest it. So make sure you do that, bring about those shifts in a compassionate way, being compassionate with yourself and the people around you. So let go of shame and guilt for what you could not achieve so far, as it lowers your vibration. Sometimes not acting in a balanced way is sometimes because related to some sort of shame and guilt. You tend to just be a giver, thinking that you have not achieved or you have not done what you're supposed to do, so now you have to kind of just keep on giving to kind of somewhere compensate for it. So whatever those past experiences were, it was for a reason, and now you're different. Things have changed. So understand first, knowing what that shame and guilt is there within you, being aware about it, and then kind of taking action towards it and letting go of that shame. It could be targeted towards yourself, or it could be for someone else.